Hello everyone, myself Navya from EasyLip Software Private Limited. In the today's session, I'm going to explain you in detail about the timetable module for the admin. So let me log into the application as an admin. Click on the menu and choose the timetable module. So when the admin logged in, he may able to see the list of submodules that comes under the timetable module. So here you have to create a timetable, means at what time it starts and at what time it ends. Like that plan you can create here in this timetable period submodule. Okay, just click on the add and here select the institute academic year and what is the period number and what time the class starts and at what time the class ends, and the description about the period you can enter, and just click on add. It will add the new detail. After that you have to set the parameters for the class, means click on add and schedule. Just select institute academic year, grade and section, class id, and at the class will be held on which location, like the details you can enter here, and the staff id who is going to take that class, and weekly how much class they will take, and daily how much class they will take. Is it a first period or last period, like that all these details you can enter here, and just click on add. It will generate a new data. Okay, then you have to set a template for a week, means you have to create a timetable for a week. So here there are two ways to create a weekly template, one by manually and another is the simplest method to just select those data and just click on the build schedule, so that it will create an if you have selected the 7 or 6 records and just click on the schedule, and select the date for which week you are going to build those weekly template. So select that date, it will schedule that timetable from that particular date up to how much data you have selected, that much they will create. Okay, here you have to enter manually, means staff id, institute name, academic year, period, grade, all those things you have to enter manually. Okay, this is called one method. And build weekly schedule, here you just click on the list what are the timetable you want for the next week. Okay, that details you have to select. Just click on the build schedule button. You have to select the date so that it will create the timetable from that particular date up to how much data you have selected. So that much period will be added for the next week. Okay, just click on the schedule. It will schedule the timetable. So the director have the ability to see the report of the timetable, means how many classes are scheduled, how many classes are active, completed and dropped, like the details. The um, director have the ability to uh, uh, view those report. Okay, just click on this. You will be able to see how many classes are active, how many classes are scheduled, how many classes are completed, and how many of them are dropped. So you can also make a lesson plan. There is for two option. One is grade wise and for class wise. Both are almost the same. So just click when you click on the class wise lesson plan, you just click on add new. Here you can add the staff id who is going to take the class, and institute name, academic year, period, grade, section, subject, class title, location, all these details you can enter here. And you can also give the status, like if it is a today's class you can give it as a active, or it is a class that has been scheduled of for next 2 days or day after tomorrow, you have to give the status as scheduled. Or if it is the classes that the staff has not been taken, then you can choose those as status as a dropped. Like that you can give the status and just click on the add. It will add a new lesson plan. Okay, then you can also able to see the timetable